a booty boxing burnout outdoor body workout for you right now. 10 minutes non-stop. Here in Grand Canyon National Park. How excited are you to work out on one of the 7 natural wonders of the world? We're gonna start in 10 seconds. This is gonna be a burner. It's 1 minute non-stop of exercises. We're just gonna start it off with just squats for 1 minute straight. Here we go. Get your position. Remember, core tight, belly button to spine, rib cage up, flexing your glutes, stomach. Always quality over quantity. In 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Down, straight up. So down, lock out the hips at the top. Let's go. A little windy up here, never hurt anybody. Come on. Beautiful day in Grand Canyon. Up in the desert view area. Don't give away all my secret spots. 30 seconds, come on. Let's go. Breathe through it. 15 seconds, you got this. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We got square up your stance. 1, 2, squat, kick. 1, 2, squat, kick other side. 2, squat, kick. 1, 2, squat, kick. 1, 2, squat, kick. 1, 2, squat, kick. 1, 2, squat, kick. 2. Woo, let's get it. 1, 2, almost squat there, kick. 1, 2, squat, kick. Let's go. 2, squat, kick. 2, squat. A lot of squats the whole time. So you're gonna be burning. You will thank me later. Maybe not right now. Let's go. 10 seconds. 2, 2, squat, kick. Last one. 1, 2, squat, kick. Next we got reverse lunges with a squat jump. So we're going right here. Reverse, reverse, squat jump. Reverse. You can go slower in reverse. All the way down. Squat jump. Let's go. Reverse, reverse, squat jump. Woo! Reverse, reverse, squat jump. Let's go. Reverse, reverse, squat jump. Let's go. Reverse, reverse. 20 seconds. Let's get it. Squat jump. Let's go. Reverse, reverse, squat jump. Last one. You got this. We're going 1, 2, 1, 2. 2, 1, 2. Move around. 1, 2, 1, 2. Speed. Power. 2, 1, 2. Gotta make sure I'm safe here too. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Move around. 1, 2. Move around. 2, 1, 2. Back to the chin every time. Move around. Move around. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Jab cross, jab cross. Jab cross, jab cross. 1, 2, 1, 2. 30 seconds. Let's go. Come on. Moving. Breathe through it. Let's go. 10 seconds. You got this. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So we got animal stance right here. Shoulders right above the wrist, and then kicking straight back, coming in. That's it. Lock out the glute. Hold, come in. Hold, come in. If you need a break, come up, do one squat, come back down. Only if you need a break. Let's go, lock out. Squeeze. Purpose is squeeze your core, extend that leg, squeeze the glute. Let's go. Let's get it. 20 seconds. Stay with me. Let's go. Ooh, 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Coming down. We got squat, hook, hook. Remember, shoulder, hip, heel, turn. Squat, hook, hook. Let's go. Squat, hook, hook. Squat, hook, hook. Squat, hook, hook. Oh yeah, squat, hook, hook. View here, hook, hook. Turn your waist. Let's go, squat, hook, hook. Square up your stance on this too. Always when you're double hooking, squat. Let's go, 20 seconds. Stay with me. You got this. Two more. Next we got 1, 2, 3, 2. Jab, cross, hook, cross, drop. They're called Tysons. Deep squat, pump 2 times. 2, 3, 2. 2 Tysons. Coming up. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. Drop. 1, 2, 3, 2. Drop. 1, 2, 3, 2. Drop. 1, 2, 3, 2. Woo! 3, 2. Drop. 1, 2, 3, 2. Drop. 1, 2, 3. 20 seconds. Let's go. 2, 3, 2. This way. Let's go. 2, 3, 2. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 2. Dropping. Let's go. Last one. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Super wide sumo stance. Right here. Knees track the big toe or second toe. We're holding this squat side to side, as low as you can go, as wide as you can go, and then slow punching, core tight. Ooh, come right here. Just holding, squeezing the glutes, inner thighs, punching through. Back to the chin. They like to say like you're punching through honey. Now, I don't like too low, just above parallel is good. You want to engage your core, squeezing, getting those punches in, activate that core. Let's get it. Glutes should be on fire by now. If they're not, then you gotta do this workout 3 times in a row. Don't disappoint the Grand Canyon. 1 of 7. Got the Colorado River shining behind us. Woo! Let's go, we're burning it. 3, 1, here we go. We got high knees and punching high. Core, serratus. High knees up. I'm just gonna stay in one spot here. Elbows should stay around chin level. Now, you don't have to get your knees all the way up. It's just running and gunning right here. Cardio, core, shoulders, hitting it all. Let's go. Stay with me. You got this. 30 seconds. Where else would you rather be? Let's go. Oh yeah. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So wide stance, we're just going in and out, burning, that's it. Gloves up by the chin, 1 minute straight. The final burnout. Let's go, in and out. Do a little circle dance if you want, make you feel better. Let's go. All day, almost there. 30 seconds left. In and out, gloves up. Let's go. 20 seconds. Oh yeah, it's burning. 15. Come on. Stay with me, core tight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Woo! That's it right there. That is your Grand Canyon outdoor body boxing booty burnout. Thank you for joining me for this workout. Remember, you can always do it one time, 10 minutes. Everyone's got time for that. 2 minutes or 2 times non-stop, 3 times in a row. You can make it a 20, 30, or 40-minute workout. We got mobility before, we got stretching after. Make sure you warm up, you cool down before doing intense workouts, and you are following and keeping on track with that outdoor body each and every day. I'm Tommy Cassano, founder of OutdoorBody. Thank you for joining me in Grand Canyon National Park. I'll see y'all next time for the outdoor body workout. Let's get it.